notizie dal mondo felino. Sembra sia stata raggiunta una tregua e si sia placata la maiaria di gatti. Infatti, anche grazie agli 80 euro in più in busta, la popolazione ha più sesca in scarsella per comprarsi la ciccia. E quindi i gatti possono salvare le meneghe. La comunità felina esulta e sta già spopolando sul web il videoclip della felicità. Tiziano, vai con l'RVM che è arrivato stamattina col mototaxi.
Vedemo sto video.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none. Bring me down, and love is too high. Bring me down, can't none. Bring me down, I said. Bring me down, can't none. Bring me down, and love is too high. Bring me down, can't none. Bring me down, I said. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Se mi abbonde ballarmi, cioè, piace mia, neanche a me mi piace ballare.
Ti è piaciuto a te?
Bah, insomma,
Amici,
mi no,
amici,
bah, mi ha tanto,
mi è piaciuto.
e mi no,
E allora va in culo.
van col T, col colpelà,
Tua madre,
tua sorella,
la tua.
è vera.